In this video, we are going to look at how to manually publish quiz results. If you haven't chosen to have quiz results or quizzes automatically marked as graded, so students see the graded mark immediately, if you didn't choose for that to happen, you're going to have to manually publish the results so students can then see how they did. So if we click on quizzes, and we're going to pick a quiz that's already been a couple students have completed, and notice it says publish 0 of 2. We have not published these results for students to see yet. So just to show you, if I go to edit this quiz here, and then if we click on the assessment tab, here you're going to see again the spot that you would check to have a quiz automatically be set as graded upon completion. So we don't have that chosen, that's why it's not published. So in order to now manually publish the results, we're going to go to grade. Now, reasons you wouldn't want them to have the quiz be automatically published is that, let's say there's some short answer or long answer questions in there that you're going to want to mark manually. So if you had the grade automatically published when they submitted it, they would get 0 for that question. And then students might be a little confused as to why their mark's so low, but really it's just because you haven't gone in and manually graded some questions. So if you have some manually graded questions, I would recommend not automatically publishing the grades and then doing it this way. So to publish the grades, you can see here we have 2. Dwight and Pam have submitted their quizzes. They have not been published yet. So in order to publish them, we could just select this box here. It will select everything. And it's going to select all users and all attempts. So if there are multiple attempts, it would publish them as well. Or you could do it like this and select individually which things you do want to publish. But however you do it, you select the things you want to publish, then just click right here, publish feedback. And they will just give you a confirmation. Users will receive feedback on publishing. Do you want to continue? Yes. And now it's saved successfully. So you can come down here and see that these are now published. All right, so then now students will be able to see those results, and if you have submission views, they'll be able to see those as well now that they're published.